Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to make your iPhone never turn off. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, if your iPhone keeps dimming and then turning off and you're trying to upload something or play a game or do anything on your iPhone, and you just want to set it so that it will never turn off, I'll walk you through those steps. Let's hit on settings here on our iPhone and scroll down until we find battery, and we'll tap on battery. Now, the very first step is we want to make sure low power mode is not turned on. So if that low power mode is turned on, the battery icon at the top right turns orange color or yellow. We'll make sure that is turned off, otherwise we can't set the sleep on our iPhone to never. So make sure that's turned off, and then let's get back out of here and let's go up to display and brightness. Once you're on display and brightness, we can scroll down and you can see auto lock. And most of the times this is about a minute. So I'm going to tap on that, and there's the option here for never, which means that your phone will never dim and turn off as long as it has battery. Keep in mind that it will run through the entire battery with your iPhone screen turned on, and this might reduce the length of your battery life over the whole lifetime of your iPhone. So you might not want to do this always, but if you're doing something important on your iPhone and you really don't want it to turn off, you can set this auto lock feature to never. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.